How you brewing, everyone? Sorry for the delay in putting out the video, but it's been a crazy holiday season. Hope you all had a Merry Christmas, a Happy Hanukkah, a crazy Kwanzaa, a tip-top tet, or a solemn and dignified Ramadan. Well, I also want to wish all my viewers a happy new beer. Sorry, I got 2 kids. If you don't like dad jokes, this ain't the channel for you. So without further ado, wait, you hear that?
Zapft es auf eine friedliche Wiesn!
You know what that sound means. If you don't, that is the sound of the first Oktoberfest cask getting tapped. And it signifies that we're ready to finally taste our blueberry ale. You know, I've been thinking about things over the holidays, and 2020 has been so crazy. All I could think about is my beer being poured and being ready to be tasted. Sometimes things in life seem so close you just want to reach out and grab them. Hey, look at that, it worked. That being said, here's our blueberry ale right here. Take a look at it. Very nice looking beer. I'm very pleased with the way it looks. I can tell you when I was pouring it, I could definitely smell the blueberry. Very nice aromatic, but not overpowering. It's time to take our first sip. I really like this. This is going to work its way into my regular rotation. First thing first, it's got a very good mouthfeel. It's not overpowering. It doesn't smack you in the face. It's a very light tasting beer, despite being, not designed to be a light beer. Second thing, I'm looking down at my glass. I see we got good head retention. Our carbonation level's pretty good. I was a little worried about that because it seems like I have a small leak in my keg. Not a big deal. I've already went ahead and fixed it. So going forward, the carbonation should retain a little better. The blueberry is not very overpowering. It's definitely more of an aftertaste feel. Definitely more, you taste it after the beer goes down, kind of lingers in your mouth, which is really what I like in these. I don't like to be overpowered by the fruit. I don't like that to be the upfront flavor. I feel like it should be more of an accent than it should be the primary focus. So the only thing I would do with this overall is maybe add a little bit more of the blueberry extract because it's very faint. I'd like it to be a little stronger. But the beer itself is a very nice American ale. It's got that rich golden color. It's relatively clear. I did just change the keg, so there is going to be a little bit of disturbance in there. So it's not quite as clear as I normally get, but that's the situation. Yeah, this would be fine without the blueberry in it, honestly. A little bit of spice, not overly alcohol tasting. But it doesn't taste weak. It's a really good middle-of-the-road American ale, and I really have nothing bad to say about it. I let my wife taste it. I let my mother-in-law taste it. Both of them had good feedback on it. My wife is not much of a beer drinker, but she said she liked this. This was very good. My mother-in-law said that she also tasted my Christmas ale. She said she definitely likes this better. She says it's definitely a lighter flavor and more up her alley. So I'm getting some good feedback on this. I can tell you I'm liking it, so I'm making it again anyway. Sorry, can't help myself. So overall, I'm going to give this beer a B+, A- rating. This is a wonderful recipe. I think it's going to be one I make again and again. A little bit of spice from the hops. Again, not overpowering. This is a beer that could probably get me in trouble. I could probably sit here and drink a bunch of these. This is a perfect summer beer. Perfect for, you just mowed the lawn, pour yourself one of these, you're sitting over the grill, go ahead and pour yourself a beer while you throw some steaks on. It's wonderful. So again, this will be the final part of this series. I know it's probably a boring video watching me drink beer, so go ahead, pour yourself a homebrew, pour yourself a cold one you have in your fridge, drink along with me. Final thing I'll say about this is I really would compare this to, for those of you familiar with Ohio beer, I'd compare this to a Fathead's Bumbleberry. Again, not quite as strong as on the fruit flavor as the Bumbleberry is, but very close. A few tweaks to the recipe will definitely go ahead and fix this. A nice garnish to this would actually be just a few crushed or mulled blueberries, toss them in. With enough carbonation, they'll float around, mix in really well. So thank you guys for watching. please continue to comment below, like, subscribe if you like what you're seeing. I'll be back doing some other videos. We just had Christmas at our house, so look for some unboxing, maybe show what I got for Christmas brew-wise. Who knows, there might be a catalyst system that needs unboxing and put together. Maybe do a cider here, maybe do some non-alcoholic beers. I'm going to try to branch out a little bit and see what we can do that's different than what the other channels are doing. So if there's anything you want to see, comment below. Otherwise, have a good rest of your day. Thanks for watching.